Hey everybody, today we're gonna take a look at this back brace that are saved for big purposes. It comes in a simple package and it's quite straight to the point. We have first the instruction manual on how we're gonna use it, which I think that is nice, also steps by steps, making it really clear. And then we have the proper main unity. And as you can see, the first thing that you will notice is the proper build quality and how actually comfortable the structure is. If you work in construction, warehouses, or do some lifting, I think that this might be worth your attention. This mod features 4 powerful support bars giving you full 360-degree stabilization. And the hook and loop closure is noticeably wider than most braces. You also get extended adjustable shoulder straps that are not too short and not too loose. They can stay in place while bending, lifting, or doing any kind of repetitive task. The fabric is quite breathable, it's a skin-friendly mesh, so it doesn't trap any kind of heat, and it won't dig upon your shoulders, and it's surprisingly lightweight. Putting it on, it's actually really simple. You just need to wrap it around, tighten it, and adjust these straps, and you're all set. The ergonomic frame helps stabilize your lower back and ensures a more comfortable posture. It's also designed for physical work. As I've said, any kind of construction, warehouse, even delivery, any kind of work with machinery, or just lifting around weights in the gym, I think that it's really used. But I think that it's also great for use in any kind of office, home chores, or even in any kind of commuting, which I think that it's really great when you have to be standing up for periods of long time. Providing the right tension, it can help you have your lower back being more comfortable when you're doing any kind of task, and it will keep you straight without restricting any kind of movement, which I think that it's nice. Overall, it offers solid support. It's made with durable materials, and the long shoulder straps that are perfect for adjusting are really nice. And if you're looking for a back brace, I think that this one is a really nice option.